Hi, this is Sandeep, the ERP coordinator from Edunext Technologies. In this video, I am gonna show how to schedule your quiz after you have successfully made your question papers. In the e-learning dashboard, click on the quiz tab in this menu. This page will open this quiz section. As you can see here, the quizzes are being scheduled by the teachers as they are already taking the question papers. Click on the Add Quizzes button. This page will be opened. In here, first of all, type in your quiz title. This quiz title will be visible on the student dashboard. After that, select your quiz date, on which date you are gonna take the question paper. Set your start time and your end time. I am selecting the start time as 12:40 o'clock and the end time as 13 o'clock. So the quiz duration will be 20 minutes. After that, academic year will be already set to 2021 by default. Then select your result publish on drop-down sections. Here, two options will be visible here. One is after teacher approval, that when you approve the quiz result, then only this result will be published on the student dashboard. And one is immediately. If you select this, then the result will be published to the student dashboard immediately after the successful completion of this quiz. Then select your class and then select your section. I am selecting academic section here. No need to select any group. So here one student is here by the name of demo. Select your section and then your question paper which you have created for this quiz. Set the duration exactly as it should match the start time and end time. Set your passing marks. Okay, so this field is done here. After that, open the examination integration setting by clicking on this plus button. Select existing and then the term as half yearly exams. So here the section will be visible. In this, no activity is showing here now because I have not created any activity for this dummy section. After selecting all these fields, click on the save button and your quiz will be scheduled. So this will be done for the objective type, purely objective type questions. If you have to take any subjective type question, so then click on this advanced setting. So here four options are visible here. One is advanced editor required, second one is hide marks, then attachment required and is shuffle question. So what is this advanced editor required? If you select this checkbox, then the editor will be visible to the student while they are attempting the subjective type questions in the quiz. By selecting this hide marks option, the marks will be hidden from the students. This attachment required checkbox is here. If you select this attachment required checkbox, students can attach PDF, JPG or doc in their subjective type questions by one. And if you select this is consolidate attachment, then the whole paper will be visible as a single paper in a single window, and you can attach a single PDF or doc file for attachment and then you can submit this question paper. So this is consolidated attachment is only supported by the browser, not supported by the Edunext app. And this is shuffle question. If you click on that, then the questions will be shuffled in the question paper to the students. And then if you select this save button, your course will be scheduled. Okay. So as I have shown this examination integration, here the teacher has selected the term and the activity for all the sections like this. All the fields are done here, as you can see, for this particular quiz. Like this you have to create the quiz. Okay teachers, thank you so much.